Hello everybody. Now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku 5th edition. This is practice problem number 9.2 and the question is find the phase angle between this I1 and I2. Does I1 lead or lag I2? So what is understood from this? We want to find out the phase angle between the two currents given. Okay. So whenever you are asked to compare the phase angle between these two, whether they are leading or lagging, like we must convert or we must have these currents available in the same format, not as a different format. That means here we have this sine and this here we are having the cosine. Okay, so we must make both the currents of same format, and also we have to check that this particular frequency, that is angular frequency, must be of same value. Then only we can go for this kind of conversion and all, right? So in order to convert this sine into cosine, you must know this identities. Here you see, if you have this negative minus sign, okay, minus sine x, that can be converted as cos of x plus 90, so 90 degrees. So we can convert this now. So I1 is given here as minus sine minus 4 sine 377t plus 55 degrees, right? I'm going to convert this into cosine 1. Okay, so I am going to apply this formula. It is 4 cos of the x values 377t plus 55, isn't it? That is the same, and then plus 190 degree you have to, so this is equal to 4 cos of 377t plus how much it is, 145 degrees. This is for your I1. Now you take this I2 is equal to 5 cos of this 377t minus 65 degrees. So both are of same format now. Okay, so you just now compare this phase angles. This is 145 degrees, this is 65 degrees. So the difference between these two is angle difference, that is 145 degree minus of this minus 65 degrees. So that is equal to 210 degrees. So the phase angle between these two cosine waves is 210. This is the answer. And then one more question is asked, which one leads and which one lags, isn't it? So here this is 145 degrees, this I1 current, and this is simply this 65 degrees, that too minus 65. So we say that this I1 is leading, so I1 leads I2. That's it. Okay, thank you, hope you have understood.